Title: Gifted, Unveiling Exceptional Talents. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word gifted. Gifted is an adjective used to describe individuals who possess exceptional talent, intelligence, or skills in a particular area. It's a term that highlights extraordinary abilities. Pronunciation: pronouncing gifted is simple, gifted, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, the young pianist was gifted with a natural talent for playing the piano, astounding audiences with their skill. Importance: gifted individuals contribute significantly to various fields, from arts and sciences to sports and education. They inspire and push the boundaries of human potential. Conclusion: in summary, gifted is a word that celebrates the exceptional abilities of individuals who enrich our world with their talents. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the remarkable contributions of gifted individuals in our society.